So a probability experiment is conducted in which the sample space are those numbers, and of which there are quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, it looks like. I can't write. Maybe like that. 12, let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 12, okay. And then E there is some of them. Is that, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. Though E complement will have 3 values in it. The values would be 4, 5, 6, and 15. I could write it that way. Probability 4, 5, 6, and 12, and no. 6 isn't there. 6 is in E. 4, 5, 6, and 15. Okay. The 3 of them. And so 3 out of the 12. That's 1/4. Okay. Or you could have computed the probability of E. E was 9/12, which is 3/4, and then 1 minus 3/4 is 1/4. That would work too, if you want to do the rules. I have a feeling they want you to do that, so we'd write it here just in case. E complement is 1 minus probability of E, which is 1 minus, turns out it was 3/4. So there's all kinds of ways to do that problem. It says here, find the probability of the indicated event. E and F have those probabilities, and find E or F if E and F is 0.15. I tend to do these this way. People these days, they say I'm a visual learner, but I don't think that actually exists. I just like drawing pictures. E and F is that inner circle there where the 2 circles overlap. So we put the probability 0.15 in there. And then E by itself has to be 0.25. So these 2 pieces together have to be 0.25. So what do I stick here? I need help. I'm going to pick on someone. I'm picking on a Rubio. What goes here? Rubio's name is on the fossil record now. We'll talk about Olivia. How about Olivia? I'm looking at it. Hi there. Do you know what number goes here?
Yeah.
So the total has to be 0.25. I already have 0.15 accommodated in that inner circle. How much goes here then?
Give me a second.
These 2 together have to sum to be 0.25. That's what I'm thinking.
0.25, so it'd be 0.1.
0.10 like that, yeah. And then for F, it says it's supposed to be 0.55 altogether. I'm over to Izzy. How about Izzy? Can you do this one? How about that side?
Would it be 0.55?
That's all of this, right?
Oh, okay.
Some of it's already in there. What has to be over here?
0.25?
25 is not going to be enough. It's going to add it by 0.4. These 2 have to be 0.55. So it's going to be 0.4 here, right? 0.4 plus 0.15 is 0.55. So what we're thinking is this business here is this amount here together. And then I ran out of colors. The other one over here, I've got green, but it's not going to work well. I'll do it anyway. This business here, oh, maybe it will. It's supposed to be that one there. So that's why I get 0.25 and 0.55. And then we're looking at E or F, the total probability E or F. What do you think, Gage?
Would that be 0.1 times 0.4?
There's no multiplication here, it's OR.
Oh.
So OR is all 3 of these, it's all 3 of these here, that whole business, everything.
So that'd be 0.65.
It would. So we're going to sum all that are in E or F. That's how that works. I'm on to 7. Find the probability E or F if E and F are mutually exclusive. And E is 0.3 and probably F is 0.47. So I'll draw a picture of mutually exclusive. It says share no outcome. So it looks like this. So E or F is just E and F separately. So if you're E or F, you're either in E or you're in F. You can't be in both. So in that particular case, you can just add the two together and just get 0.3 plus 0.47. Did I read it right? Okay. 0.77, 0.77, like that. It's because mutually exclusive says share no outcomes. All right. Finally, suppose they're independent. What's it probably E and F? I'm talking to Alyssa.
I have no idea.
That's not good, he said. How about Tatiana? How's your idea of space?
Can you repeat that?
E and F are independent. How do you compute the probability E and F?
Don't you just add them together?
You don't add them. How about Jose? There's something special you do when they're independent. You want E and F. Do you remember what it is?
0.8 minus 0.7.
You don't subtract. Okay, going on to Crystal. Help me out, Crystal.
Would you multiply on this
You
one?
multiply them. So if they're independent, you take the product like this. So you have to keep track of what's going on. So for independent, you're smiling now. I know something, she says. Yay. At least somebody does. I don't know. Of course, you haven't studied for the test. That makes sense. So we'll do 0.7 times 0.8, which is 0.56. Put it here, 0.56. There we go. I'm making sure everything's in business. Okay, I'm going to stop this share. Stop